Welcome back everyone. So today in this video I will be explaining how to fix Bluetooth on-off switch missing on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. I will be sharing few and very effective solutions that you need to apply, and I'm very sure by the end of this video your problem will be fixed. So let me show you what exactly happened. When you make a right click on the Windows icon, go to settings, and when you click on Bluetooth and devices, you don't find the Bluetooth toggle on and off button which is missing from your Windows settings. Okay, so what you will have to do, in case if you're using a laptop, then make sure that your airplane mode has not been enabled. Okay, if it's already disabled, then what you can do, try enabling it and again disable it. Once you are done, you can check back, and still if the problem occurs, then what you will have to do next, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on the command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes, the black window will be up. Now here you have to run two different commands of DISM and SFC. So you will be getting this command in the description. You can copy and paste. So the first command will be DISM space / online space / cleanup / restore health. Once you are done, hit the enter key. Now this command will take some time. So what we can do, we can minimize it. And next you have to click on Windows search again, type services, click on services. Now here you have to scroll down a bit and you will find few services related to Bluetooth. So click on each of them and make sure the service is running. If not, then you have to click on the startup type, choose it to automatic and start the service. Click on apply, click on OK. Do the same with other Bluetooth services. Once you are done, you can close it. Now next, make a right click on the Windows icon. Then from the suggestion, you have to click on Device Manager. Now once you come to Device Manager, you may see the Bluetooth option, but some of you may not find the Bluetooth option. So let's say that if you find the Bluetooth option, then what you will have to do, make a double click on it, and it will list you your Bluetooth driver. So make a right click on it and make sure it has not been disabled. If it's been disabled, then enable it. Again, make a right click on it, choose update driver, click search automatically for driver, and if the update are available, let it get updated. Now in case if you don't find the Bluetooth option here, then from the top menu option, click on view, then click on show hidden devices. And again, check back if you find the Bluetooth option back or not. And still if you don't find, then click anywhere. Then from the top menu option, click on action. Then click on scan for hardware changes. And again, check back if the option is back. Now if I check my Bluetooth option now, so I can see the Bluetooth on-off switch is back. But in case still if you don't find the Bluetooth option here, and even not in the device manager, then what you will have to do next, you will have to do the power flush of your computer. So if you're using the PC, then you have to power off your computer, remove the power cable, all kind of external drive like keyboard, USB, mouse, everything you have to remove it. Then you need to press and hold the power button for 25 to 30 seconds. And after that, plug in back all your devices, power cable, and then turn on the computer again. If you're using the laptop, you have to do the same. Remove the power cable, power adapter, remove any kind of external devices like mouse or USB. Now press and hold the power button for 25 to 30 seconds. And after that, turn back the laptop on and see that if the problem has been fixed. Now in case if this also doesn't fix, next what you will have to do, you need to bring any of your favorite browser, go to Google and search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Hit the enter key. Now here click on the first link of Intel. Now in case if you are using any other manufacturer, then you can download the driver for that particular manufacturer. So once you come up here, on the top you will find download Bluetooth driver Windows 10 and Windows 11.exe. You will have to click on it, and once the driver get downloaded, you will have to install it. Once installed, you can restart your computer and check back if the problem has been fixed. Now make sure that you apply all these solution without skipping any part, or else it will not work. Okay, so this was the another effective solution. Now finally, if after applying all the solution nothing is working for you, then finally you will have to go with the system restore. For that, what you will have to do, close everything, click on your Windows search, type rstrui.exe, hit the enter key, click on next. Now this will display all kind of restore point created along with the date and time. So in case you don't find the enough date, then you can check this option that says show more restore point, and this will list you all kind of restore point that you have created. So you can choose the date when your computer was working fine, select it, then you have to click on next and follow the instructions, and your system will be restored to that particular date. So this is the final and the last solution in case if nothing is working for you. So that's all guys for today. Hopefully after applying all the solution, your problem will be surely fixed. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.